All right, coming to this one. This one, like I said, it's similar to this one right here, these ones. You've got the last term given. It's exactly the same question. So, which means I need to find the number of terms. I'm going to have to find n as we did before. And then we do the sum. Now, 1 is a it's very nice. Number 2 looks very nice. Number 3 looks nice. You see, you got positive 2, minus 3, minus 8. Number 4 is negative 15, negative 12, negative 9. Number 5, it has some fraction. Number 6 has fractions. 7 and 8, they've got variables. All right, so I would love to tackle maybe say, let's say 6, 7, and 8, because they've got variables. Let me see which one am I gonna tackle first. First, let's deal with the one that has fraction, because people don't enjoy fractions. So let's put the data. The last term, T subscript n, or which is L, it is equals to negative 65. It's negative 65 divided by the 2. A, which is the first term, I've got it, is actually 11 divided by the 2. And then the D, we're gonna figure it out. It's easy. And then we also have n equals 2. Remember, the sum, will deal with that one later. So let's just use our calculator, because we know it's arithmetic, it's stated there. So I'm gonna take 7 over the 2, which is the second term, minus the first, 11 over the 2. I got negative 2. Double check it. Always double check, but there's no need to double check, but practice to double check, because you're gonna need it. 3 over the 2. And then I'm gonna subtract 7 over the 2. Are we getting negative 2? Yes. So D is negative 2. I need to find n. Remember the formula that's given to us, T subscript n equals to A plus, open the parenthesis, and minus 1. And then we need to multiply that by the D. There we go. It's fractions, it's fine. So let's put the first number. Negative 65. There is something I want to tell you about the n, but you should have known it from grade 11 already, but I'm gonna reiterate it one more time. A is 11 over the 2, and then plus into n minus 1. The D is a negative 2. All right, here's what I wanted to say about n. N is always an element of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 34, and so on and so on. That's how n is gonna be. It can never be negative. It can never be a decimal or a fraction. It must be natural. All right, now it's easy. We can take minus 11 over 2, we bring it over there. So remember, we've got negative 65 over the 2. Now, when we bring 11 over the 2, it's going to be minus 11 over the 2. I'm working it out one time. There we go. We've got negative 38. We've got negative 38. So negative 38 equals 2. What have we got? We've got n minus 1, close the parentheses, and then minus the 2. Last time I told you, I said you have a choice. Remember, I said you can divide by that 7 or multiply the 7 into the brackets. I did both the method to show you the answer will be the same. I love to divide because I don't have to have many terms and take time in the exam. Well, sometimes I enjoy to divide. All right, so it's negative 38. So I'm going to divide it by a negative 2. That gives me a 19, positive 19. So I've got positive 19 equals to n minus 1. So what's left? The negative 1 comes over there, and everybody can tell that it's going to be added to the 19, and you're going to have 20, meaning n is 20 for that number 6. Now, since in this case, we've got the last term there, I'm just going to go ahead and use that formula. No need for me to use that one. I showed you both methods here. I showed you the shorter one and the longer method. It doesn't matter. So now you are acquainted to it. So you now know you can use either one you feel good about. So I'm going to go the sum to 20th term. It's going to be n, which is 20, divided by the 2. Open the parentheses. I need the first term, which is 11 over 2, plus the last term, which is a negative, 65, divided by 2, close the parentheses. Then I just work out all of that to give you an answer. So I've got 20 over the 2, of which we know is 2. For now, we're pretending we don't know this. Then we've got 11 over the 2, and then minus the 65 over the 2. Navigate, close the parentheses. Pow! There's your answer. Negative 270. It makes me think of trigonometry. Negative 270 degrees. So we've got this one, and we are done with that part. We're going to go to the other one.